Hey, how's it going? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. So, in a few minutes, I want to introduce you to a good friend of mine. His name is Scott. Now, Scott is an expert when it comes to ringless voicemails and SMS marketing. Those are two really hot ways to generate leads for your business right now. And as a matter of fact, he was able to get me set up on one of those platforms, and I did amazing. Within the first couple of weeks, I earned over, I think it was close to $4,000 in the first week. So the great thing about this platform is not only with the Ringless, not only can you generate leads, but you can also sell the service as well. So it's like a 2-for-1. So while you have traffic going out there working for you, trying to get you leads and trying to get you sales, you could also sell the product too. And there's so many people that can use this service. But here's the thing that Scott's going to tell you about is that there is a text messaging service coming out too. So right now it's a Ringless service, and they're going to make a text message service too, and he's going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get that text messaging service absolutely for free, so you can have your own short code and be able to generate a ton of leads and also make sales up to $1,250. As soon as Scott's done, I'll come back and tell you a little bit more about how you can get started and what bonuses you'll get for joining me in this amazing venture. Again, this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Let me go ahead and turn it over to my good buddy, Scott.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm glad and so happy you're here because you want this free SMS short code, right? So what you're going to do now is you're going to click the button below. If you're watching this on a capture page, you're going to go in the comments below if you're watching this on YouTube. You're going to go in the Facebook comments if you're watching this on Facebook, because in there is going to be, you're going to want to click that link or the button on this capture page if this happens to be a capture page. This video could be anywhere right now, to claim your free SMS short code, okay? And you can also make up to $1,250 per sale, but it's going to come down very soon, guys. It's coming, guys and gals. It's coming down very soon, so you want to act fast. Fast, because what's going to happen between now and June 10th? It's going to become text. The SMS platform is going to be its own platform where you can earn up to $1,250 per commission. So guess what? Right now you can get that platform absolutely free. So click the button. After that, follow these instructions. You're going to see wherever you find that link, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you're watching this right now, you're going to find the link where I just said before, and you're going to scroll down, okay? You're going to scroll down. You're going to see packages. It's going to be on the Ringless ALN. You're going to see packages, okay? Packages there. And you're going to see my partner Dustin actually explains each package and what you get. There, you would choose your package, and then you automatically get your free SMS text platform, okay? Then, guess what, guys? Once it's launched, you're going to be able to resell that so it's double your money right now. So click the button, find the link, get it. If you know someone that's in Ringless ALN right now and you're with them, get a hold of them because they can do the same exact thing. If you're watching this, whoever sent it to you, click on the link wherever it is. So that's it. It can come down now, between now and June 10th, and even before June 10th. So you can have up to double your commissions. Double your commissions, get a free short code SMS MMS platform. So if you're still watching this now, what are you waiting for? If you're still watching it, what are you waiting for? I already told you where to go. So what are you waiting for? So all you have to do is follow those instructions. If you want to rewind this video, if it's rewindable, I don't know where you're watching this from. If it's rewindable, watch it again. The instructions are on here on how to get it. So if you're still watching, I'll give it one more shot here. So if you're watching this on a capture page, there'll probably be a button here to go to, hey, start here or something like that. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the comments in the link. Click the comments, the link in the comments below. below. If you're watching this on a Facebook, if someone posted this on Facebook, because anyone can have this, any affiliate can have this. So if you're on Facebook, in the comments, or ask them for information. How's that sound? That's even better. So it's either in the comments or ask information. But either way, wherever you're watching this video, look around. There's a link. Look around. There's a link. Look up. There's a bird. There's a sky. There's a plane. No, I'm just kidding. So, okay, guys, It's powerful marketing. Get your mobile office going, and that's it. Talk to you soon.
Hey everybody, it's Nick back here. So hopefully you got all that great information from Scott. So what I wanted to do is a little whiteboard presentation to show you how this whole ringless voicemail system works and where the SMS bonus really takes place. Okay, and just so you know, if you want to sign up for this service, just go to nicholaslal.com/ringless, sign up under me, and we'll talk about the great bonuses you get in just a bit. Okay, so the whole point of let me see if I can turn around and do this. So what you are doing is you're buying leads and drops, okay? So a lead is a person's phone number, a verified lead for mobile marketing, right? And a drop is when you take that lead and you send somebody a ringless voicemail. Now, what is a ringless voicemail? A ringless voicemail is when somebody gets a voicemail on their phone, but the phone didn't ring. So they could be sitting there right with their phone, the ringer could be on, vibrate could be on. It's not going to ring or it's not going to vibrate. But when they look at their phone, they're going to see that, oh, I have a missed call and I have a voicemail. That's weird. I didn't even hear my phone ring. So now curiosity kicks in. Well, who called? Who left me a voicemail, right? Because when you pick up the phone and you know who's calling and you don't want to talk to them, it doesn't matter if they leave a voicemail. You don't want to talk to them. So it doesn't matter. You'll get to it when you get to it. But if somebody leaves a voicemail and your phone didn't even ring, it raises a bit of curiosity, right? So now they're going to go and check the message. They're going to see that missed call, they're going to see that voicemail, and what they're going to have is a recorded message, okay? Now that recorded message is basically going to be the sales pitch. Hey, how would you like to earn money from home and not have to lift a finger, blah, 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 kind of pique their interest, and it's like, and then it tells them what website to go to. Go to www.mywebsite.com, and the whole point is for them to go to that website, right? Or they can call back the number. If they decide not to listen to the voicemail and just call back, it'll go to another recorded message. You could play the exact same message over, or you could play a longer one, because your initial message can only be 1 minute, right? But when they call you, that message could be longer. So if you want to record a different message, you can do that. Now on that message, you can be more specific. Hey, thank you for calling back. Obviously you're interested in this, so let me tell you a little bit more about it. Get them to go to that website. Or this is where the bonus takes place, okay? Because normally that's it, okay? It's just a matter of trying to get them to your website. I don't know why I'm looking here. The lens is over there. Okay, so anyways, so like I said, the objective is to get a call back, okay? Now, this is the package that we sell right now. You can get a package. It starts as low as $150. They have packages that go all the way up to $2,500. It gives you more leads, and it allows you to sell the package and make a 50% commission. So it doesn't really matter what level you come at as far as the drops, because you can buy drops and leads at whatever level you're at. The higher the level, the less you'll pay for them, but you can buy as many leads and drops as you want. Right? The thing is, the higher the level you come in at, you get more leads and drops to start with, plus you get the, you can go ahead and sell that package again, which is cool because it's a great product to sell other marketers, right? Okay, so that was the objective, is to get them to call back and go to your website, right? Or, so this is where this takes place. Now, if you also have an SMS MMS, so multi-message, if you send a picture, if you have an SMS platform, then what that allows you to do is maybe in this callback, when people call back, instead of saying go to my website, you could say, if you would like more information, go ahead and text the word Nick to 12345. So they text Nick to 12345. Now we have them in a follow-up drip, right? We send them the message, we send them the website, and we follow up with them for the next several days. So that's the game changer. So this is the bonus that Scott was talking about. If you get into the ringless voicemail system, whatever level you get, this new system that's coming out, the SMS marketing system, you'll get absolutely for free. Whatever level you're at in the ringless voicemail, you'll get the SMS system at that same level for free. After this promotion is over, and they can pull it at any time, after the promotion's over, you'll have to buy this by itself. It'll be two separate programs, but right now, you buy this, you get this for free, okay? So it's a really, really awesome deal, because, you know, once people get into your drip, they're gonna get a text message every day, every day, every day, and the objective now is to get them to visit the website. They can visit the website here too, but the thing is, this is more automated, because once they get that text message, then that link will be in the text message. They can go straight to your website, they put their email address in, and at the end of the day, as a list builder, that's the objective, is to get them on your list, right? Get them into your funnel so you can sell them something. So it doesn't matter what you're promoting. Like right now I'm promoting Profits Passport, and this is actually income stream number 6. So I wanted to kind of demonstrate how that will work. So again, as Scott was saying before I came on, is that's the bonus. If you come in Ringless voicemail, you'll get the SMS platform absolutely for free. Once that deal is over, and trust me, it will be over, you'll have to pay for this separately, okay? And all of the information is on the website. SMS are really cheap. I think for like $10 a month, you can get 250 credits. So the more you want to spend, the more credits you'll get. And for anybody that's done marketing on Facebook or Google or solo ads, you know that traffic can get really expensive. Do you know how much my traffic is for Ringless voicemails? I came in at the top level, so the $2,500 level. My leads are 1.5 cents, and my drops are 1 cent, or maybe 2.5 cents and 2 cents, or something like that. Whatever the case may be, it doesn't cost more than 5 cents for me to send a lead. Now, in the solo ad world, if you've been on my website, nixclicks.biz, you know that 1 click is 84 cents. Okay, the more you buy, the more you save, but 5 cents compared to 84 cents. Now, you can't compare the two. They're two different traffic sources. They work completely different, right? But you can't beat the amount of sheer volume that you can send out. You can send out Ringless voicemails today, and people might not get back to that message for a week or two, but eventually they'll call back. Okay, when they call back, that's when the process starts. Scott had even told me last week, somebody, came into his system and spent $2,000. They've been on his list since 2016. 4 years later, this person's still getting text messages, and finally there was something that appealed to him, and he went ahead and got in. So that's the power of this, because as long as they're on your list, you can remarket to them. So I hope all that makes sense. Now, what is the bonus? If you come in at the 2,500 top level, then you will get 1 month done for you service. You don't have to do anything. The team will take care of your drops, your follow-ups, your recorded message, everything. So that way, your first 30 days, you don't have to worry about messing up. The team will take care of it for you. Okay, so that's a $300 value. It's $300 a month to run that service. So after the first month, if you're like, hey, I kind of like this done for you thing, it's $300 a month. But the first month, I will take care of it for you if you come into the Ringless voicemail system at the $2,500 level, okay? And if you go back to one of my videos where I show the whole Profits Passport system, there's some other bonuses. So you can watch that at the $1,000 level. You can get 200 solo ad clicks. But I want you to focus on the top level position, because that's where you're going to make a lot of money. That's where you get a lot of leads to drop. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me below. Go into the description area. You'll see the links. Please like, share, comment, click the little thumbs up, click the little notification button and the bell. And I hope you really like this presentation, and I will hopefully see you on the team using this awesome service to build your list and make some money. Take care. All right, bye-bye.